Keenly on Nibbana bent, from worldly pleasures freed, he is said to be upstream bound. Dhammapad 218. In that person, a deep yearning for He undefined, for Nibbana, has arisen. He has already touched it mentally. He is called a swimmer against the current, an upstream bound person. He has already started the process towards Nibbana. One with a wish for the undeclared, with mind so well pervaded, a mind not bound in pleasures of sense, an upstream God's called. Dhammapad 218. Chandajato অনক্ষাতে মনসা স ফুটসিয়া কামেষু স অপ্রতিবদ্ধ চিত্ত ঊর্ধ্বং সততি বুচ্ছতি। Dhammapad 218.